Dear students, today we will discuss about the internal structure of heart. We know that heart is the vital organ which will supply blood to each and every part of the body. It pumps, its main function is pumping the blood. You know that how many chambers are there in heart? There are four chambers. The upper chambers are called as auricles. The lower chambers are called as ventricles. For that we will draw the diagram roughly. If you observe the diagram, our heart is divided into four chambers. The upper chambers are called as auricles. The lower chambers are called as ventricles. What are the upper chambers? Auricles or atria. The lower chambers are ventricles. Then these auricles are divided into left and right with a septum that is called interauriculoseptum. This interauriculoseptum will divide auricles as left auricle and right auricle. Now how these auricles are divided? With a septum that is called interauriculoseptum. Means nothing but a septum in between two auricles. So it is called as interauriculoseptum. Interauriculoseptum divides auricles as left auricle and right auricle. And if we observe the ventricles, the lower portion or lower chambers are called as ventricles. These are also divided with a septum that is called as interventriculoseptum. Interventriculoseptum. Means a septum which is in between two lungs, which is dividing as left and right ventricle. So due to the help of septums, our heart is divided into four chambers. Upper chambers are called as auricles. Lower chambers are called as ventricles. Auricles are divided into two auricles that are left auricle and right auricle with a septum that is called interauriculoseptum or auriculoseptum. Like that, ventricles are also separated into two types. Left ventricle and right ventricle with help of the interventriculoseptum. Then how they are connected? They are divided into four chambers to avoid the mixing of oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood. In left portion, it is filled with oxygenated blood, whereas the right portion filled with deoxygenated blood. To avoid the mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood, the septums are useful. Then how they are connected? How they are connected? There are two apertures. How they are divided into four chambers means again auricles and ventricles are also separated with a septum. That is called auriculoventricular septum. This helps to divide the auricles and ventricles. Interauriculoseptum will divide left and right auricle, whereas interventriculoseptum will divide the heart into ventricles into left ventricle and right ventricle. A septum, auriculoventricular septum, will divide the auricles and ventricles. Then it is four-chambered heart. And how it is connected? It is connected
Intra-auricular
with
septum.
two apertures. These two apertures are guarded with walls. These walls always flows the blood in single direction only. They does not allow the blood in opposite direction. So, from left auricle to left ventricle, blood flows through this aperture.
But
I have already told you the left portion of the heart is filled with oxygenated
blood.
Oxygenated
blood
whereas the right portion
deoxygenated.
filled with deoxygenated
Blood.
Then how this blood is supplied? Means if you observe here at the right auricle there is a blood vessel that is called superior vena cava. We have already discussed about veins. Superior vena cava always collects deoxygenated blood from the head, neck. That will be entered into the right auricle. So this blood vessel is superior vena cava. Superior vena. And you observe here a bluish vessel, blood vessel, that is inferior vena cava. What is the function of inferior vena cava? It will collect deoxygenated blood from the
Lungs.
No, it will collect the blood from the abdomen, legs and
right
hands. That also will open into the right atrium or auricle. If you observe the blood vessel which is arising from the left ventricle, that is called aorta. That is called aorta. This aorta, we have already discussed the systemic artery. It will supply oxygenated blood to all the body parts except lungs. It is the biggest artery which is arised from the left ventricle. It will supply oxygenated blood to all the body parts. If you observe here, there are two veins that are pulmonary veins. These pulmonary veins will collect oxygenated blood from the lungs and it will open into left auricle. Then if you observe from right ventricle, pulmonary artery is arised. Pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery will supply deoxygenated blood to the lungs.
lungs.
Now, again we will discuss about the internal structure. Our heart is divided into 4 chambers. The upper chambers are called as auricles. Lower chambers are called as ventricles.
Verticals.
Auricles are divided into left auricle and right auricle with the help of interauricular septum, which will avoid the mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. As well as ventricle are also separated with a septum that is called interventricular septum, which will divide ventricle as left ventricle and right ventricle. Auricles and ventricles are separated with a septum that is called auriculoventricular septum. Now heart is divided into 4 chambers. But how they are connected? With the help of 2 apertures which are guarded with valves at the auriculoventricular septum, they are connected. Means the left auricle is connected with the left ventricle, right auricle is connected with the right ventricle. Valves always allows the blood in single direction. They does not flow in the opposite direction. Means the blood from the left auricle will enter into the left ventricle only. The blood from the right auricle enters into the right ventricle only. If we observe the blood vessels attached to the heart, first of all we will observe the superior vena cava and inferior vena cavas. These 2 will collect the deoxygenated blood and supplies to the right auricle.
Right auricle.
Means right portion of the blood is deoxygenated blood. If you observe the aorta, aorta is arised from the left ventricle. It will supply oxygenated blood to all the body parts except lungs. And here if you observe veins, that are pulmonary veins which will collect oxygenated blood and supplies to the left auricle. Means left auricle is filled with
Oxygenated blood.
Are you clear? Pulmonary artery is arised from the right ventricle. It will supply deoxygenated blood to the lungs. Okay?